In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create OKRs, step by step. Let's start with the basics. OKRs stand for Objectives and Key Results. Think of the objective as what you want to achieve, and the key results as how you'll measure whether you actually achieved it. Objectives should be qualitative and inspirational, while key results are quantitative and measurable. This balance keeps your goals both motivating and grounded in data. Begin by defining one clear, focused objective. A strong objective is concise, outcome-driven, and aligned with your team or company priorities. For example, you might say, improve customer satisfaction across the product. That statement is broad enough to inspire, but specific enough to guide your next steps. Keep your list of objectives short to maintain focus. Aim for 1 to 3 objectives per team or per person in a cycle. When you try to tackle too many, you dilute impact and slow execution, so less really is more here. Now create measurable key results for each objective. Choose 2 to 5 key results that are specific, time-bound, and tied to numbers or clear criteria. For instance, increase NPS from 45 to 60, reduce average response time from 6 hours to 2 hours, or achieve a 95% customer satisfaction score. These metrics remove ambiguity and make progress visible. Make sure your key results measure outcomes, not tasks. Avoid activity-based phrasing like launch a new help center. Instead, anchor the result, such as reduce support tickets by 30% through improved self-service. This keeps attention on real impact rather than a checklist. Align OKRs across the organization so individual and team goals support higher-level company objectives. Alignment builds transparency and ensures everyone is pushing in the same direction. Set a clear time frame. Most teams use quarterly OKRs. Define a start date, an end date, and a review cadence. This structure helps with prioritization and accountability. Track progress regularly, weekly or biweekly works well. Update using percent completion or a simple 0.0 to 1.0 score. Frequent check-ins surface risks early and prevent surprises at the end of the cycle. When the period ends, score each key result and reflect on what worked and what didn't. Capture learnings for the next cycle. Hitting around 70 to 80% often indicates a well-set, ambitious OKR. Finally, iterate and improve. Strong OKRs evolve through consistent reflection and adjustment. Here's a quick example. Objective: increase customer retention. Key results: increase 90-day retention from 62% to 72%, reduce churn from 5% to 3%, and increase repeat purchases per customer from 1.4 to 1.8. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more productivity and Notion tips and tutorials.